Luka, what is it? What's wrong?
Dad! Come to the hospital now! Mom fainted!
Oh no! My son is crying! What happened?
Let's see what happened before that moment. This morning, David sees a beautiful white rose in the garden.
Oh, what a beautiful white rose. Anna loves this flower so much. When I earn more money, I will buy her a big bouquet of white roses. David always thinks about the future, but he forgets the present.
While David dreams about the future, Anna is working very hard.
Oh, I am so tired. But I must cook lunch for the kids.
Inside the house, toys are everywhere. Luka and Lucy are running around.
Oh no! Oh no! I spilled my milk!
Lucy, be careful, sweetie. I am cooking in the kitchen. David, could you please help me clean the floor? I am cooking dinner.
Can't you see I am busy working? I need to make money for our family. It is just a little milk, Anna. Why can't you clean it?
I am sorry. I will clean it myself.
Anna is very tired, but she does not say anything.
Dad, look at my drawing. I drew our family.
Not now, Luka. Go to your room and play. Today is a very special day. It is Lucy's birthday.
Anna is very tired, but she wants to make her daughter happy.
Here is your birthday cake, Lucy.
Mom, so beautiful. I love it. Mom, when can we blow out the candles? Is Dad coming home soon? He promised to take us to the park.
Dad is very busy at work, sweetie. Let me call him.
Meanwhile, David is not at work. He is with his friends.
David, cheers. You work hard every day.
Today is the weekend. Just relax and have fun with us.
You are right. I am so tired of the mess at home. Cheers.
David's phone rings, but he does not answer it.
Later. I want to have fun now.
At home, Anna feels very dizzy. Her eyes are blurry.
Suddenly, Anna faints and falls to the floor.
Mom! Mom! Wake up! What is wrong with you? Don't cry, Lucy. I will call Dad right now.
David's phone rings, but he does not answer it.
30 minutes later.
Dad, please answer the phone. Where are you? Luka, will Mom be okay? I am so scared.
Don't cry, Lucy. Mom will be fine.
Where is Dad, Luka?
I will call Dad one more time. He must answer this time.
Dad's at work. What's up, Luka?
Dad! Come to the hospital now! Mom fainted!
What? Mom fainted? I am coming right now. David runs quickly to the hospital. He is very worried and scared. Doctor, how is my wife? Is she okay?
Are you Anna's husband? She fainted because of severe exhaustion and stress.
She does not eat or rest well. You need to take better care of her.
Exhaustion? But she just stays at home.
Taking care of a home and 2 children alone is a very hard job, sir.
David sits next to Anna. She looks very weak.
David opens Anna's bag to find papers. He sees a drawing.
It is Luka's drawing. In the picture, Dad is working, Mom is cleaning alone, and the kids are crying.
On the back, Luka wrote,
I wish Dad could play with us and help Mom.
What have I done? I am a bad husband and a bad father. I am so sorry. I was so selfish.
The next morning, David goes home early before Anna leaves the hospital.
He cleans the floor, picks up toys, and washes the dishes.
Oh, housework is so hard. Did Anna do all this alone every day?
Luka, Lucy, I am sorry for not playing with you. Today, I will make a cake for Lucy.
That afternoon, Anna comes home. She is very surprised.
Wow, the house is so clean. Who did all this?
I did it, Anna. Anna, I am sorry. I was too busy making time and forgot you and the kids. I don't need to wait until I am rich to give you flowers. I love you today.
Thank you, David. I am so happy.
Look, Mom! Dad and Luka made a birthday cake for me.
Let's blow out the candles together.
Happy birthday, Lucy!
David realizes that time and family love are the most important things.